Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. This video is for all the candidates who don't want to go out for the job in these hot summers, just want to sit down at the home and wanted to earn money. I mean work from home jobs. So let's jump into the video and talk about the available latest work from home jobs. But before that, do comment your educational qualification with the job role you are looking for, and if you are looking in a particular company, you can comment that also. So let's see our first job. First job is from the company Sint and the role is account development representative. Location is remote, which is work from home. Qualifications required for this role are graduate with interest in sales in a fast growing organization, thrives in a client-facing role and a fast-paced environment, excellent communication, numerical and interpersonal skills, enjoys solving problems and prefers analytical methods, independent worker with attention to detail and the ability to multitask and prioritize, flexible with any working hours as per the requirements. These are all the requirements. If you are eligible for this job role, click on the apply button. Then this page will open. Here, click on the apply for this job and then fill this form. After filling this application form, click on the submit application button and submit it. Second job is from the company Planet Spark. Role is online English language trainer. Eligibility criteria for this role are excellent verbal and written communication, willing to work 6 days a week, willing to invest 3 to 4 teaching hours a day, at least 1 year of English teaching experience, should have a good Wi-Fi and a laptop with webcam. Qualifications any. If you are eligible for this, click on this apply button, then fill this application form and submit it. Third job is from the company Nua. Role is copy intern. Requirements for this role are a love for writing with strong grammar, knowing and staying updated with online trends format, enthusiasm and love for the category, bachelor's in copywriting or any other equivalent degree. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also, you have to fill this form, copy this form from here and then paste it on the Google, fill this application form and submit it. Fourth job role is of management intern. Company is Marvin Witt. Requirement for this role are pursuing or completed bachelor's degree in environmental studies, theology, urban city studies, development studies or in a related field. Interest in the intersection of faith and sustainability and the ways faith-based action may be used to promote sustainable development. Familiarity with the development of project proposals, research and data analysis and partnership prospecting. Detail-oriented, organized and independent thinker. Clear and effective written and oral communication skills. Fluency in English required. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fifth job role is of science teacher. Company is Code Young. Skills required for this role are freshers and experienced. Both can apply for this job. Must have good knowledge, conceptual clarity of the subject and ability to teach a concept simply and entertainingly, driven by interactive tools. Should be presentable and be confident in front of the camera. Here they have mentioned the recruitment process. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. These were the 5 work from home available job roles for today. Now let's jump into today's bonus job opening. First is from the company Excellent Technologies. Role is placement officer. They just mentioned that we are looking placement officer for our IT training institute. Candidate must have prior experience in the same field. If you are eligible, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second is from the company Curing Busy. Role is virtual assistant. Requirements for this role are excellent English skills, enthusiastic and professional during client meetings, ability to grasp technical admin tasks quickly, a very smart and quick learner. Independent learners will figure out how to do something even if they have no experience with the task. You must know how to use Google to figure out things on your own. Advanced technical skill is a plus. Exceptional organizational skills, motivated to do excellent work, not afraid to ask for whatever is needed. High integrity, a strong work ethic and sense of commitment are a must. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for these job roles. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड इफ वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।